Jake is in a very weird mood today. Let's see what's going on. Yo,
What's up, Demi?
why are you acting so weird?
Uh, I'll speak to you after we finish office today. I'm just preparing my presentation for my Zoom training right now. There's something I want to talk to you later.
Okay, up to you, main.
So I have to talk to Demi about this very important issue. I don't know how she's going to react because I've never spoken anything like this in the last 5 years. Anyways, I've got paneer pakoda and besan ka laddu to keep her in the good mood. Let's see what happens.
What's wrong with you? Why you're making so much suspense? Is everything okay?
लो बेबी आपकी ग्रीन टी और बनाना केक.
इतना सीरियस मुद्दा है क्या? इतना माहौल? You're making me nervous. This banana bread is so yummy.
This is the best banana bread I've had in Canada.
I love banana bread.
It's not. There's nothing serious. Don't be nervous. All I was thinking is that. Do you remember when we got engaged and I used to come and see you only in the evening? Whole day we used to be on the phone waiting to meet in the evening. Then again when I went to Australia for 2 months and we were away from each other. Entire day we used to be on video call. Remember?
Yeah. So?
Like now, we are at home together all the time. Even our office is same, so we are in the office also together all the time.
What do you mean?
I was trying to say that, like we go for morning walks, evening walks. Earlier I used to do my morning workout and all. So
अरे सीधे मुद्दे पे आओ ना, स्पेस चाहिए.
बेबी गुस्सा क्यों हो रहे हो यार? आप भी हद कर देते हो.
गुस्सा नहीं हो रही हूँ.
No.
Don't go in round and round
I'm not-
circles. Just say straight. You need space, right?
Okay, maybe little bit. All I was saying is, let's have just one day where, do our own things at our own personal time, personal things. Just like that, and then let's meet in the evening and have a little fun like a date.
I am on for it. Don't worry.
You serious?
I am serious, of course. I'll be happy too.
Okay, so from tomorrow morning.
Done.
Okay.
Pinky promise.
Okay. So basically, I'm a morning person. I love doing my workouts in the morning, and Demi likes to go for a walk in the morning. So I always end up going for a walk with her, and then I do my workout in the evening. But today, in my own space, I'm gonna enjoy my morning workout. So let's go. Let me go and get the house keys. Arey, Demi usually keeps the house keys in this only. Where are they now? Demi. Demi, do you know where the house keys are? I've looked everywhere, I couldn't find.
Here, this is the shot that you wore last time. This is where you leave your keys. So yeah, maintain your space and distance both. सारे काम आधे अधूरे हैं. Went for workout and he didn't take his water bottle. What to say now?
So this new park has opened outside my house and I'm gonna do my workout here today. I've been waiting to do my workout here. Let's start it. I forgot my water bottle. Demi always reminds me and today she's not here so I didn't get my water bottle.
Here's your water bottle.
Arey Demi, since you have come, why don't you join me for the workout?
Oh. No. Thank you so much. I'd rather go for a walk. I need some space. Bye.
Sure. Bye. Today I'm gonna enjoy all my favorite videos on YouTube, increase my creativity. Camera, technology, reviews and all that is gonna be fun. I want to find out about that 50mm lens. Let me see some reviews. This is what I mean by my space, you know. I mean, I like watching YouTube with Demi also, but thoda sa, you know. Okay, let me quickly get my headphones. I think in there. Where the hell is my headphone, man? Why can't I ever find it?
You can't even find your headphones without me. Here, I'm going to take you some space.
So I've realized one thing, Demi, that why do people decide that okay, let's get married after being in love? I think because they want to spend every single moment together and they don't want that separation and like
The space.
space and like to complete each other. I forget things, you remind me, and we kind of complete each other and life become more easier and better. So in marriage I believe we decide that now our space is a combined space and that's what makes life more beautiful.
See, what I see is that it's difficult for me to take that decision because I win both ways. So that's why I want to leave it to you. See, if you are with me, you're doing all the activities with me according to me, care for me, so I get a partner in crime, right? And then let's say if you need space, then I get gifts.
Okay.
So being like a girlfriend gives me more physical perks, and being like a partner 24/7 gives me that emotional perks.
तो आपके तो हर चीज में मजे ही मजे हैं.
Exactly.
So I believe the battle for space is over and let's stick together.
Yeah, उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा पैसा बचा लोगे.
See you guys next time. Let us know what are your thoughts in the comment section.
Bye-bye.
Till then, bye.
Bye.